Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving Zarchiver the exact access it needs. This fixes most access denied errors. Open the app, attempt an extract, and when prompted, tap Grant Access. If Android 11 or newer, choose Select Folder and pick the parent directory via the Storage Access Framework, because scoped storage restricts direct file paths. Once done, verify the archive sits on internal storage or on an SD card the system permits. Make sure the file isn't in an app private folder that blocks reads. Next, configure how Zarchiver accesses files so you can actually extract. In Settings, enable use SAF and then grant persistent access to the folder you chose. That prevents repeated permission prompts. If SAF isn't an option, move the archive to /download or internal storage using a file manager, because system folders are more permissive. When you extract, choose the destination, confirm overwrite rules, and if the archive is encrypted, enter the password. This avoids partial extraction or finish by checking the extracted contents, open samples, compare file sizes, and move results to the intended app. If you still see access denied, clear Zarchiver cache or app data, then reinstall. This removes corrupted permission records. Make sure you regrant manage all files or reselect the folder via SAF. Finally, use Android settings to reset app permissions for Zarchiver as a single troubleshooting tip. This forces the system to ask again and often resolves hidden permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.